Now that you have a scheduled show packed full of detailed listings and you've shared it far and wide, what's next? It's time to become the star of your show and go live. Tap into your scheduled show from your profile. Tap on Start Show at the bottom. Once you tap Go Live, your show will be discoverable on Whatnot, and a push notification will be sent out to users who bookmark your show. Wow, look at those viewers rolling in. Make sure you greet them with a positive and welcoming attitude. Any one of them could become your next big buyer. You can swap between your phone's front and rear cameras. Tap the camera icon to switch cameras. Looks like you have a question in the live chat. Remember to interact with your viewers as much as possible. Answer their questions out loud in your show. Since you created detailed product listings with photos, you should guide that user to your live shop to check out what you have available. Let's give our viewers something to bid on. Head to your live listings by tapping the shop icon. All you need to do now is tap Start Auction on the item. Designate the starting price and auction time. Then tap Start Auction. Check out those bids rolling in. Keep your audience engaged as they bid. Try mentioning bidders by name or saying more about your product out loud. We have a winner. Shout them out and say congrats. Now is a good time to reward your viewers with a giveaway. Just navigate back to your live listings, tap the Giveaway tab, then tap Run Giveaway. A winner will be automatically selected after 5 minutes. You can run auctions while your giveaway is running too. This keeps your viewers engaged. When you're ready to end your show, tap the down arrow in the top right. You'll see a few options here, but we just want to end our show. So tap on End Show, then End Show again. Congrats on your first show. You're a natural. There's a lot more you can do during your show. So make sure to check out selleracademy.whatnot.com for additional tips and tricks.